Hey guys, Buddy Minecraft EE here. And now I'm going to show you how to fix your Smasung device if it gets stuck in the boot loop. So you're going to go to open up your address. Go to sammobile.com. You know, the computer is annoying. And then you'll click right here where it says firmware. Click it. And then put your model number in. Mine is SPH-L710. And then it'll bring up a firmware list for the device. I'm going to show you that it works by showing you the firmware that is currently on the device, on my Galaxy. Open up settings, or about. Okay, this is where you find the device or model number, by the way. It's in settings, about, device, and blah blah blah, yada yada yada. See, I'm running Android version 4.4.2 right there. So to show you that it works, I'm showing you right now Android version 4.4.2. This is the device. And now I am going to lock that real quick. I'm going to download version 4.1.2 to show you that this works, which I believe is Jelly Bean. Click regular download unless you're a member, or unless you're a paid member. I am a free member. So I'm just going to go on ahead and sign in real quick. Okay. Alright, there's that. And then I know. Forget it. Anyway, I'm just going to go back to firmware because I have to do this again. First thing you want to do, though, is log in before you do any of this. L710. What did I say was going to download? 4.1.2? And you need to make sure that it says your carrier and then CDMA. Regular download. Confirm download. Okay, it'll be done downloading in about 2 hours, it says. So then there's also this Odin file that you need to download. You click that and you extract Odin as well and open it, install it to your desktop. So then that will pop up. This will pop up on your, let it focus. This will pop up on your desktop. And whenever you're done downloading, you also need to extract the file that has the last digits of your, where is it? With the last digits of your ID. And yeah. So, yep, I will get back to you guys as soon as the thing is done downloading. I'm back. To get into this mode, volume down, home, and power all together. Let me show you what that'll do real quick. Disconnect the phone from the computer. Real quick, turn this off. Okay. So, volume down. Hey! Crap, I hit the wrong button.
What?
Okay.
I'm leaving.
Where are you going?
I'm gonna go donate.
Well, can I?
Okay. Volume down, home, and power together. Okay, volume down, home, power.
Seriously.
And there it is. So,
Good luck with finding the money, though.
volume up to continue.
You said you were paid. You were
There.
paid yesterday.
Do you have my card, James?
I do.
Huh?
I do.
Why?
I think. Let me look.
Okay, plugged it in. Now go to the computer.
Take Madison out.
Open up Odin. Click CP. And click the version you want. I'm not downgrading it to 4.1.2 anymore because I tried that earlier and there were some issues. It wouldn't load, so yeah, we're just doing this now. We're just keeping it to 4.4.2. Just waiting on it to do this.
You can go straight to hell.
But if Jacob wants to come with me, take that now.
We're waiting on the binary check real quick. I'm going to go on ahead and set the phone down real quick, and then I'll get back to you in a minute.
So how'd it go?
Honey, no, Austin. All right, fine. Love you.
What do we think Bobby's motive was to kill this guy?
We don't know, but it seems like it's an hour of some sort.
Yeah, you put it that way.
And you are?
Bye.
Especially when Sam Walker.
Love you, Mom. Drive safe. Okay, so it's done with this now, and now it's in CP. So we're going to go on ahead and click Start, and we're waiting on this. A boot, TZ boot image. Now we're just going to move something in front of the computer so you can watch this go down. Get this off the start menu. Get all this paper out of the way. And set this down. Okay, there. Right now it's working on the system image extension 4. Come here, pup. The good beach. If you knock over my phone, I'm gonna kill you. That's a good pup. Good pup. Knock over my phone, though, I'm gonna kill you. So, yeah, we're just waiting on it to finish with system.image.extension 4. And as soon as it does that, the thing should be done. So, yeah. Just waiting on it to finish up. It's almost done, by the way, though. But this is still loading. See the green right here? It's still loading. So it's not done yet. Will you get me one of those grandma's cookies things from the thing from whatever.
The main thing is not to panic.
The 99-cent cookies.
Might arouse suspicion.
Dad, will you give me a grandma's peanut butter cookies? And if they don't have peanut butter, then just get me a one of those long Reese's double chocolate things. Reese's piece crispy. No, not Rice Krispie treats. One of those long Rice Krispie treat chocolate things. Okay. Just waiting on this to finish up. It's almost done. See, this is the only thing that happens with the phone, though. It just says downloading, do not turn off target. I don't know what that means, but whatever. It's in Odin mode right now. Okay. Warranty bit 1. Who's a good puppy? Who's a good puppy? Who's a good puppy?
I can do this.
Who's a good puppy?
Let me run this by you, Zach.
What are you doing? Are you out of your mind?
I was fine. I can be him again.
Don't get yourself killed on my account.
Okay, I get that, and I.
Play wheelbarrow with Madison.
But do you want me to put you in this vacation? Yes or no?
Come on, finish. It takes like 5-10 minutes to finish up. So this is going to be a long video of you just staring at a computer screen and me just talking in the background. Come on, hurry up. I'm so impatient with this because I have to do this every time my phone has an issue with turning on, and this time I'm doing it for no reason at all. So it's just gonna delete everything on my phone. So I need to freaking put everything back, and I don't remember if I backed it up or not. I know I backed it up to my flash drive, but I can't find the USB plug-in for that, the adapter. See, I know I updated it to my flash drive. I know it's on my flash drive, but see, 16 gigs. This is 16 gigabits. 16 gigabits. Hopefully this thing has, nope, it doesn't. Alright, so I'm gonna move it then and focus it. See, 16 gigabits. 16 gigs. The phone is just sitting there, being useless. Now we're gonna put it back.
Huh. You have dropped them too?
Epicness. A game I can play while I'm waiting on this to be done. It's Mom's iPod though, not Dad's.
It's both of his.
No, it's just Mom's.
Why is the lizard up there?
Why are you?
Right there.
Why are you obnoxious? Daddy? Daddy?
No. My puppy.
Anyway. No, I don't want to do anything like that. I don't want to use my email. I'll just play. Oh, okay. Just waiting on this to be done. And while I'm doing that, I'm playing a game on my mom's iPod.
Even Ragu users chose Prego Traditional over Ragu Traditional.
Prego? But I buy Ragu. I wonder what other questionable choices I've made.
Choose taste.
This thing's so laggy. playing on my mom's iPod while I'm waiting on this to be done.
Perfect orange juice. We put you on to say. Except the customer is always right. Never comes
You're such a
Play.
Yes, you are, puppies.
Are you serious? It just crashed. Alright, back into it I go. Almost done. It looks like it's halfway.
And sorry I could not travel both. And be one traveler long I stood. Looked down one.
Maddie,
Far as I could. Two roads to
come here, pup.
die. I shall be telling this one beside. I took the one less traveled by. And that has made all the difference. The Walking Dead, Road to Survival, play for free now.
Email.
You okay, puppies?
Adventure into our DNA. Discovery sport. Granted, above and beyond.
Got calm.
You know who loves to help animals as
Calm.
much as I do? Veterinarians. Whether it's helping pets at home or mountain gorillas in Africa, let's know what's best. So our vet recommended Cosequin for our pet's joint health. I believe her.
And now,
Choose Cosequin.
playing, trying to at least. Come on.
Always been dear to my heart, so take it from me. Love your pet and trust your vet. Keep it moving with Cosequin.
Stupid thing.
Cosequin, available at Walmart.
Yeah, that's fine. Start a game.
What? This is the welcome I get? Huh? Any of you Irish bastards miss me, huh?
Fenton? Fenton O'Connell?
I'm gonna guess it just crashed again. Yep.
Hey, Siobhan. Nice to see you too, lady.
And what'd you expect? A parade? After what you did to Siobhan?
One shot's all you get. Hey, take your hands off the lady. As long as she keeps her hands off of me.
7 years, Fenton. Where the hell have you been?
Pissed again. We'll call this.
Okay. Getting ready again.
First, I need to talk to Bobby S.
Oh, that's why you came back from Bobby.
Let me handle my business, and then I'll have nothing but fun.
Oh, you were such a charmer. But if it's Bobby S you're after, you're gonna have to go through his number 2.
Yeah? Who might that be?
My husband,
Start a game.
Liam.
If it crashes again, I swear to God. I'm just gonna give right up.
I'm not just talking about the haircut. and the
Create
clothes.
game.
It's like he's a different- that's
Random.
what he's supposed to be. He's in character. He's fit. That's good. Hey, what if he's not good enough? After 7 years, he's got to be rusty. Staten Island wasn't no joke.
Guys, the best way to help Ryan is by building a case against Bobby S.
Trick here. Thought Bobby S.'s 68 Charger has an electronic easy pass. Records show the Charger drove to Yonkers Beach, George Washington Bridge around 10 a.m. Didn't make the return trip.
Anyway. Yep, just crashed again. You know what? I'm done with that.
Hey, Bobby.
It's almost done with the system.
Do I know you?
It's right now trying to receive a response from the bootloader, or not bootloader, but custom OS download, custom OS downloader.
Till they cut grand. Come on, Bobby. I got ratted out, you know that. Me hanging around would have just brought more heat down on everyone. So you made yourself scarce. In fact, no one's heard from you in 7 years. Where you been? Out west. Been making some moves here and there until the statute of limitations ran out. Tell you the truth, Bobby.
Almost
I didn't want to come home till I had something to bring you.
done.
Oh, friend. Here's a table. I heard the feds took down Ben Gideon, so you might be in need of some product. I've been working with the Mason brothers out of Chicago. I'm from here. Stable source, quality stuff.
Come on.
I can get you whatever you need.
You're almost done. You can do it.
Be stepping up, Bobby. So, what?
Come on. You can do it.
Golden Green store, is that it? Or are you a rat? You know me better than that. Look, I said my piece. I'm not gonna beg, Bobby. It's up to you, okay? No, yeah, it is. So, should I welcome home the prodigal son? Or should I leave him with a bullet in the back of your head? Oh, just say it with Bobby. Some kind of rat. And I'm a man without honor. And then you pull the trigger. You doubt me, Bobby. You do it yourself. Fed's back. Welcome home.
Almost done. The video's been going on for a while now. This will be a long tutorial,
Not here. What can I get you?
even though most of it's just, you know. Now it's non-HLOS.bin.
32. The hell comic post is that?
Loading that up.
Did you go to Sunday school?
Waiting on it to say succeeded.
Celebrate and rejoice. Because
Come in.
your brother here was dead.
Come in.
Let's come to
Come
life.
in.
Welcome home. To Fenton.
Okay. There it goes pass, and now it's going to load up bootloader.
Doesn't matter what I think. It's up to Bobby.
Yeah, but did you buy a story about where he's been for the last 7 years?
Check it out.
And if he's lying about something?
Here. Now I'll click reboot now. You can unplug the phone now.
Passenger Lexus GX. See your Lexus dealer.
That's fine. We'll make you some dip green. See what you think of it.
Whoa, here she comes. Watch out, boy, shoot you
And it's about to finish up. It'll take a while to load up. And if you tried to factory reset before, then it'll take you to the setup screen. But for me, I did not factory reset, so it takes me to my lock screen. Just waiting on that. There we go. See? It still all works perfectly fine. Excuse you.
I said, whoa, here she comes.
Okay.
Watch out, boy, shoot you
See? It all works perfectly fine now. That's it. Peace.